To configure SAML 2.0 based single sign-on, I will start by registering my WordPress website in Microsoft Entra ID. You may have heard already that Microsoft is in the process of renaming Azure AD into Microsoft Entra ID. There's also an extra information at this point in time still making us aware of this process. So I'm using for this video the entramicrosoft.com website, the successor portal basically. Here I will expand the identity menu, and in the identity menu I will find an extra submenu for applications, and here I can click to navigate to my enterprise applications. To register my WordPress website in Microsoft Entra ID, I would need to create a new application. So I click New Application, and I want to create my own application, and I want to integrate an application that I don't find in the gallery. All that I need to do to complete this step is now to enter a name of my application. I normally take here the URL of the website that I'm about to configure. This helps me remind me what the application is actually for. Having entered the name, I will click Create. The first thing that I will do, as soon as the application is created, is to navigate to my Properties tab. And here I can toggle whether or not to require assignment. What does that mean? That means that if I leave this to yes, I would need to explicitly assign users to this application, or else no one can use this application. To assign users to the application, I would need to go to the Users and Groups page. And here I can click to add a user or a group. I need to click non-selected, and I click to search, for instance, for an user, and I could here select those users and add those users and assign them to the application. However, the other way around, if I say everybody in my directory can actually access this application, then I would simply go to Properties and I would toggle this to no. There's no assignment required, and I would save my preferences. Since we are configuring SAML 2.0 based single sign-on, I now continue to the single sign-on page. And here I would need to click to select SAML.